Hello friends, let us start with a prayer. Friends, this short lecture, short presentation is not a self-help lecture. This is a whole series of which this is one. Self-help lectures guide you to be more materially successful, earn more money, get a bigger name and fame, get more and more promotions. This lecture absolutely doesn't help you to do any of these things. Then you will wonder, why is it then that we should watch it? This series, which includes this lecture as well, helps you to be more happy, to be more joyful, to be more at peace, and to be more satisfied. Now you decide what are your priorities, and accordingly, you can select what to watch. There are so many distractions continuously disturbing us, and thereby they shift our focus or dilute our focus to where it should not go. Therefore, let us decide to say no to distractions. And I will tell you how. But before that, let us see one example of a distraction.
What?
Do you do this wherever there is a phone call? Do you jump? Do you leave everything which you are doing, get successfully distracted, and run behind the phone? A phone call is not an imperial command to talk with the caller. It is just a plea to talk with you. No need to run for it. It is a request that somebody wants to talk with you. This is not a phone call from the president or the prime minister that you have to leave everything and run. Just note it. There was a phone call, and therefore I have seen many families who do not, by rule, do not take the mobile phones on their dining tables, including ours. Dining table says big no to mobile phones. That black shining rectangle box becomes our black hole. Has it become yours? Black hole which sucks in everything. When I realized this, I started putting my phone out of sight. And I realized that when my mind is even slightly resisting a task, it will look for such distractions to focus on. I started seeing my smartphone as what it really is and not think beyond it, not as a distractor. Distractions take attention away from what you need to do while performing a task. Distractions can be external, such as noise, or internal, such as fatigue, thoughts, or stress. Let them not take your focus away. How to handle them? Stay focused. How? Identify your distractors. I had decided to finish up this project by this afternoon. It was possible, but I could not. Now what came in between? Identify it. Then eliminate it. Next time, eliminate it. It immediately improves your focus and awareness. It is very easy. Very easy. The best results have come from people who are most focused. We all know the famous story of Arjun and all his brothers and cousins who were giving a test to Dronacharya about for archery. And we all know that why Arjun won is because of his focus. Others were distracted. He was not. So identify your distractors and eliminate them. If you are able to identify, you'll be able to eliminate them. Turn off and, for example, turn off and stow away your cell phone when you are doing some very serious work. Refrain from eating, drinking, reading, grooming, smoking, and all other activities that may compromise your attention. These are very effective distractors. Avoid emotional and stressful conversations and thoughts, especially when you are doing something very serious. And these thoughts are known to take full control of you, especially as we go towards evening and our mind gets more and more tired, brain gets tired, metabolites add there. That is the time don't do these, don't entertain these thoughts at all. There is one more way, some more addition to it. Use memory aids, use to-do lists. They will keep you focused. Get enough rest. People are thinking that sleep is something adventitious. Sleep is very, very important, and be mindful of your health and avoid medications that may affect your response time while in workplace. Simple things, and you will be able to make time for yourself. Not only this, as soon as you are able to make time for yourselves, it will improve your happiness quotient.